Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to this channel. And just like usual, we have another lesson for another day. So, welcome again. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, boom. Now, today we're going to deal with compound proportions. That was still compound proportions, but this is just basically proportions. So, first question is asking you if 4 is equal to 6 equal to 8 is to 4 is to 6 equal to 8 is to x, find for the value of x. Now, such questions are basically easy. So 4 is to 6 is just the same as writing 4 over 6, which is equal to 8 is to 6x, which is 8 over x. The next thing you do is you cross multiply. So 4 times x gives you 4x, and 8 times 6 gives you 48. Divide by 4, and therefore x is equal to 12. Yeah. So, yeah. Question 2. So if 2 is 2, 4x and 36 are in proportions, find the value of x. Again, it's very easy. If they're in proportion, then it means that 2 over 4 is equal to x over 36. Right. So again, cross multiply. 2 times 36 gives you 72. And 4 times x gives you 4x. Divide by 4. Therefore, your x will be 32 divided by 4. Is it 6? Let me just do a rough calculation. 72 divided by 4, 18. So x is equal to 18. Let's go to the other question. Now, the third question is asking you to find the mean proportional to 4 and 9. Mean proportional, so you assume that there's 4 into comma x comma 9. So again, 4 over x is equal to 4 over x, or is it x over 4? Basically, I think it's the same. 4 over x is equal to x over 9, or 4 is to x equal to x over 9. Then cross multiply, boom, x times x gives you x squared. 4 times 9 gives you 36. Square root of x squared, x equal to square root of 36, which is just basically 6. It can be negative 6, obviously. So that's your answer. Yeah. Let's go to the other question. Okay, question 4. If a is to b equal to 5 is to 8, let me use another color. If a is to b is equal to 5 is to 8, find the ratio into bracket 4a plus 3b, which is just equal to 5a minus 2b. So the simplest way is just this. Where does a you replace with this 5, where does b you replace with this 8. So basically just saying that 4 times a, which is 5, plus 3b, which is 3 times your b, which is times 8. Let me rub this a little bit. 3 times 8, then is to 5a, which is 5 times 5, minus 2b, which is 2 times b, so which is 2 times 8. So yeah, so 4 times 5 is 20, plus 33 times 8, 24 is 2. 5 times 5, 25, minus 2 times 8, 16. So 20 plus 24 gives you 44. 25 minus 16 is 9. So your answer is just basically 44 is to 9. Now let's go to the other question. Okay, these are the exercises that you can do by yourself, but still you can pause it, and so if you unpause it, then let's solve it. So now find x in the following. 3 is to 2, which is equal to 5 is to x. So 3 is to 2 again is written as 3 over 2, which is equal to 5 over x. Now the next step is you cross multiply. So 3 times x, 3x, and 2 times 5 giving you 10. So divide by 3. So your x is just 10 over 3. or you can write it as 3 1 over 3. 3 1 over 3 is written this way. Yeah. So yeah, let's go to the second question. Find for k so that numbers can be in continuous proportion, which is 16, k, then 38, then for 57. So the same thing, 16 over k, which is equal to 38 over 57. Yeah, it's not that hard. So cross multiply again. 38 times k gives you 38k, and 16 times 57. Let's see how much it gives us. It gives us 912. So divide by 38. Divide by 38. So therefore k is equal to divide by the 912 divided by 38 gives you 24. So your k is just 24. Okay, so that question of the exercise again, if a is to b equal to 4 is to 7, find the ratio 4a plus 7b is to 5a minus b. Again, the same thing. So you replace a with 4 and you replace b with 7. So you just say that 4a, which is 4 times 4, plus 7 times b, which is 7 times 7. Okay, it gives us as another answer. Again, 5a, 5 times 4 minus 7. So basically it's just easy. When you reach at this point, it just becomes easy. So 4 times 4 is 16, plus 7 times 7 inakuwa 49 is 2. 5 times 4, which is 20, minus 7. 16 plus 49, it should give you 60 something. 49, 65. So 65, 20 minus 17 is 13. Okay, and I think you can simplify and you can say that divide by 13 gives you 1. Divide by 13 hopefully it gives you 5. So your final answer will be 5 is to 1. Yeah, as simple as that. Let's go to the last question. Okay, I said let's go to the last question, but that's the last question. So again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. This is just the same as subscribing. So share it to your friends and like, leave a comment. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.